Magandang araw guys, naway okay lang kayo. At eto tayo, muli tayong magre-react sa isa sa mga cover song ni Nonoy Peña, ang pinagmamalaking singer ng Bicol guys. Ayan yung cover song niya na If You're Not The One. Yan, samahan niyo ako guys, sabay-sabay tayong manood, makinig at mag-react. Grabe. Ang galing ng pagkakagawa nitong music video na to.
If you're not the one, then why does my soul feel glad today? If you're not
Gusto ko yon yung falsetto niya na yun. Ang galing.
the one, then why does my hand fit yours this way? If you are not mine, then why does your heart return my call?
Ang lupit ng vibrato ni Nonoy, ano? Napaka-professional talaga pagdating sa kantahan to si Nonoy.
If you are not mine, would I have the strength to stand at all? I'll never know what the future brings, but I know you're here with me now. We'll make it through, and I hope you are the one.
Ang husay niya bumigkas ng lyrics, ano guys, napakalinaw. Grabe.
I share my life with. I don't wanna run away, but I can't take it. I don't understand.
Ang taas din ng boses ni Nonoy. Grabe. Medyo mataas tong kantang to eh, pero kay Nonoy napakasing. Guys, yung sa original kuha niya yung falsetto. Tsaka yung taas. Ang tinis, di ba? Ang galing.
If I don't need you, then why am I crying on my bed? If I don't need you, then why does your name resound in my head?
Ang lupit din mag-emote ni Doloy Peña, no guys, to. Grabe.
You're not for me,
Galing.
then why does this distance make my life? If you're not for me, then why do I dream of you as my wife?
Grabe yun. Yun talaga yung tatak ni Nonoy Peña guys eh, no? Yung kanyang pakulot-kulot na boses. Grabe yun. Hindi ko lang alam kung may effect siyang ano doon, ginagamit. Pero ang ganda pakinggan.
I don't know why you're so far away, but I know that this much is true. We'll make it through, and I hope you are the
Yan, medyo iniba niya yung tono dyan sa part na yan guys.
one
Pero ang
I
ganda pa rin.
share my life with, and I wish that you could be the one I die with, and I'm praying you're the one.
Napansin ko rin guys, ang ganda ng studio ni Nonoy, ano? Kompleto. Ayan, nagpa-piano rin pala siya. Meron din siyang MIDI keyboard. Ayan, siya yata yung gumagawa ng kanyang -1.
I built my home with.
Astig tong cover na to guys. Kayo guys, anong masasabi nyo? I-comment nyo lang inyong mga reaction guys sa ating comment section.
If I'm not made for you, then why does my heart tell me? 'Cause I miss you. Body and soul so strong that it takes my breath away.
Ang lupit ng technique ni Nonoy sa pagkanta. Yung kanyang vibrato, yung falsetto niya, ang galing.
And I breathe you into my heart and pray for the strength to stand today. 'Cause I love you, whether it's wrong or right. And though I can't be with you tonight, you know my heart is by your side.
Lupit. Grabe. Marami na ako napanood guys na cover song ni Nonoy Peña. Pero isa ito sa Iyon, no? Grabe. Panalo tong cover song na to guys. Lupit. Ayan, natutuwa rin ako dito sa outro ni Nonoy, no? Ang ganda. Ang linaw nung video. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe guys, Andiyan po sa ating description yung channel ni Nonoy Peña guys. I-subscribe nyo na guys. Suportahan natin ang talento ni Nonoy Peña. Ang pinagmamalaking singer ng Bicol. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe guys sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na rin kayo guys para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating upload. At kita-kits ulit tayo guys sa mga susunod pang reaction video.